Here, open this side. Right here. Thanks. Thank you. Oh, thank you again. What is it? It's Mick, that's right. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Flip it over. Show Daddy. Show Daddy your storybook.
What's that?
Wow.
Wow.
We got a new story. We can read
That's
that tonight.
awesome. Great. A Mickey Mouse story. You love Mickey.
Can I have that, Dre? I'll put it in your box.
All right, get another present.
Dre is picking and choosing what presents she wants to open. She's going for the big ones first, and then she opens up the little ones. It's like she knows the little ones are full of clothes.
Is that the one you want to open?
Can I help you start it? There you go. All right. Thank you. What is that? It's stock. Oh, sockies!
Yay, socks.
All right. You need socks. Thanks.
Okay, pick something out. Tear it open.
Rip it up. There you go. Good ripping. Good job. What is it? You gotta open it. That's right. What is that? What did you get? Ooh, shirts. Pretty. Okay, open up another one. Tissue paper. You got presents right there?
Yeah,
on the
presents.
floor.
No, you already opened that one. Open presents.
Open that one. That was a good one. Do you want mommy to help you with this one?
Ooh, that looks like a good present.
Let's see what that is.
That one, we got to find out what's in there. Good choice.
Okay. Here. What is that? I don't remember. What did Santa bring you? Wow! A cash register. Oh,
Wow!
that's gonna be fun to play with later.
How cool is that? What else you got here?
Open it. You gotta open them, baby. You going for the big ones? Want to open that one? I'll help you. Let me help you get it started. Try this side. There you go. Ooh, butterfly stickers for your walls.
Wow!
Wow, we can put those on your walls later.
How
and
cool is
decorate
that?
Your room.
That's
That's
cool!
cool. Want to open that one?
Wow, Santa hooked you up.
Open the box. What is it? Ooh, pretty shirts. Wow.
Shirts.
clothes. All right. Got it? I see Dora. Dora, that's right. There you go. Pajamas.
Wow, pajamas.
Yay. PJs. Go get another one. Go get another one. A storybook. Wow.
Cool.
Wow. Oh, wow. She's playing soccer. That's a pretty book. Do you want to open up more presents? Oh, we went down the slide. Whee! Go get more presents? You love storybooks.
Daddy.
I'm gonna open that one. Here, I'll help you. Can't sit on your brother. Flip it over. Excuse me.
Bless you.
They're Minnie Mouse pajamas. Wow. Awesome. Go get another one. How about that one right there in front of you? Right there. By your basketball. You got lots of them over there, baby. How proud, Dan. Jay, no, these ones over here
These ones
first.
right here.
Jay, these ones over here first.